Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and happy weekend. I hope you're doing well. You can subscribe my channel to enjoy daily and weekly analysis about the market. Let's get started. The first, market I always analyze is US 100, and in US 100 or NASDAQ, we had a breakout. It was a downtrend from April up to just a couple of days ago. And we had a breakout of this, dynamic resistance. And I told you in my previous analysis that it's so soon to go sharp like this, okay? But we might have some days trading range, and if you want to have another I don't know, another bullish trend, so it might take, for example, 2 or 3 days to see this zone, and after that maybe this zone. So I will tell you if we have a change in analysis. And at the moment of speaking, you can have just these 4 zones, and even you can remove this zone because it's not needed. And at the moment of speaking, you can have these 3 zones, and it's enough for you. Look at this. Now what we have is just 3 zones. This zone, the dynamic support, now it acts as a support, and these two act as resistance. That's it. And if we have any changes in the next week, so I will let you know in my daily analysis, and you should subscribe not to miss that. Okay, the other one is US30. For US30 or Dow Jones, we had downtrend. If you can remember, it's a very mellow downtrend. It's not very sharp, and the price is kind of decreasing. But what we had was the breakout of this dynamic resistance from the top of the channel up to the bottom. Now there was a breakout, pullback, and again breakout of the midline of the channel and pullback to this zone. This zone now is very important. The zone between it's 32.5 thousand, okay? 32,500. 32,500. If there is a breakout of this zone, we might see again the bottom line of the channel, or this line can act as a as support right now. And whenever there is a touch of this zone or this line, we have reactions. And if we can break, if we can have a breakout of this line I have drawn for you, we could see the next targets, and it's gonna see the top line of the channel. Okay, now so let me make it more beautiful for you. I just make the same for you, and yeah, it is something like a wedge. And what I myself think is going to be a breakout from top, and we can see this zone again. For gold, we had bearish market, and what you can see, the price stopped. The market closed at the price of 1850. There was something we can have right now. Listen to me. You can say there was a breakout, and the price tried to go inside this wedge we had from last week, but it finished with shadows. if you focus on the market in 15 minutes, you can see uh, at the end of the market, it tried to go to this channel again. But what I think, for the next week and what you should wait for is if the trend, I don't know, goes from this side to this side. Let me draw the this one for you. Yes, it's very small. You can do it in 15 minutes. Okay, if there is a breakout of this zone, we can say we came back again to the channel, and we have to update our channel for next days. I mean, I will change my channel to this zone and I will let you know. But if we have a, I don't know, trend reversal from this side, again, we can say we will see this zone again as it was the previous, resistance for us. If not, so 1825 is not out of mind. This is for gold. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as I said and as I told you, has made another, trading range, but in a different area. So if you focus on Bitcoin time frame 4 hours, you can see Bitcoin has made another, trading range from 30 to 500 something up to 29 500. And today market is closed, so we could have some, changes in the price up to these zones. But what I think would be, we should wait for Monday, okay? Because we had the first engulfing phase, but the second one has not been completed yet. If it wants to get completed, we can see these areas again. The same size. Okay, we can have correction up to if I can move it, I would be very happy. Oh my God. Yes. We could have correction up to these zones. But if it wants to continue the trading range, so I told you before in my analysis that it has made these two lines. But what I think I told you about Bitcoin before, it's gonna be bearish in long term. Not in long term, but for example, maybe in the next month. And Bitcoin can see 20,000 again. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Have a great time.